Okay. Add a way to give users premium. First, let's go to data. Go to user. And I'm going to go to premium expiration. Great. Okay. So first we need to give premium. Do we have a premium page? Doesn't look like it. I'm gonna create a new page. Call this admin premium. Going to be page. Okay. Admin premium. I'm going to take the logo wide. Okay. This is going to be column. Going to be 50, 50, 200. 275. That'll work. Okay. I'm going to make this top margin of 16, left margin of 16. Now we're going to make a group. This group is going to be a column. It's going to be group premium stuff. The first thing we want to do is put text. I'm going to call this premium. This will be heading 1. Now we're going to do a drop down, or do we want to do a search box? Yep, yes it is. Tsumego Dragon is a puzzle app and a place to play Go online. So I am working also on making sure the beginner experience is really smooth. So if you have any feedback about your introduction to Tsumego Dragon and anything that you think could be improved to make it smoother, easier to understand, by all means, let me know. I do want to make a smooth user experience as much as possible. Okay, so this is going to be search for user. Okay, let's put this right here. Going to be standard search. And then we're going to do drop down in here. Going to be users. This is going to be dynamic choices. Choice is going to be user. Choice source is going to be box for user. I guess I got to select the doing Tsumegos and playing a fair bit of Naiman on OGS, but seems stuck around 25Q, like 100 games in. The researchers out there seem to be for beginners as in learning the rules, which shouldn't apply to me at this point. Does Tsumego Dragon cater for me? Well, let's look. So, for Tsumego Dragon, if you're 25Q, what I recommend is two things, at least. I guess I can recommend three things, but anyway, puzzle, campaign, go through the beginner, 3-star everything. 3-star it means you get every single one right without missing a single one. It should be pretty easy if you've played 100 games. The capture should start easy enough. 3 space I, 4 space I, make sure you just have those down. This is all the essential first bits that you need for a beginner, and just you can 3-star all of that. Then when you play online, you say you play 9x9. So I think that's fine. I don't know exactly how much experience you have, but if you wanted to practice against bots until you can score the game and see second line cuts, you could. But probably after 100 games, you want to keep playing 9x9 until you can get to like 24, 23Q, and then move up to 13x13 until maybe 20Q, and then 19x19 to go down to 19Q and beyond. Then from there, I also have a playlist of strategy. Classy Perch series is a step-by-step guide starting at 25Q. It introduces strategy. So what to aim for, and teaches you skills that transfer up the board sizes, because the eventual goal is to get you to 19x19. So it sounds like you're playing plenty of games. I think just do some puzzles every day as a warm-up, play games, and watch maybe a Classic Perch series video 1 a day, and then play at least 5 to 10 games between videos as practice. And then you can bring the games here, and I can review 1 a day, or I guess for 9x9 I can review like 2 a day or 3 a day or something. But I do game reviews for free on here. If you want to give me one of your games, I can also take a quick look at it and give you some quick pointers. And I usually say just 1 19x19 a day, but since smaller boards, I can do a couple a day. And then if you want even more, then I do offer lessons. But that is my advice: is the campaign, play, in the Classy Approach series. And then, if you have any specialties for attack and defense, I recommend the categories, but this one is technically premium. But we do offer a free trial if you want. But the categories I would recommend you master for beginners. It's going to be connecting, disconnecting, so cut, ladder, net are how you attack cutting stones, ladders and nets. And then beyond that, squeeze tactics is how you take advantage of cutting stones as well. So capture and connecting is dealing with cuts. You're fixing your cutting points. Sorry, not capture, connecting and disconnecting. Fix your cutting points, attack your opponent's cutting points. Ladder and net and squeeze attack the cutting stones. Okay, so it's all about the cutting points and cutting stones. That is what I recommend starting with if you have any interest in this. But the campaign for beginners is free. So you can 3-star this one and it should be free. I think even level 1 is free as well. I forget, but I think the first 2 are completely free, and you can just 3-star both of them. This one also teaches you 4 space I and 5 space I, so that way you can understand your life and death a bit better. Nets, ladders, double threats, throw-ins. Yeah. And then, if you have questions or want game reviews, then stop by the stream and feel free to ask. Okay. Alrighty. So in search for users, default value, entries to show 10, dynamic choices, define list of options, type is going to be user, sort by their email. Okay, can't access the email, so I guess username. Descending equals no, because we're going to start at A. Ignore empty constraints. I think that means they don't get in the list. I'll leave that just in case. Field to search username. Awesome, yeah. Hopefully it'll help. I really hope it does. I've put a couple thousand hours into this site. Awesome. Yeah. Please let me know how it goes. And if you found it helpful or if you have any feedback. I have tried to work very hard to make a nice, smooth introduction for beginners. So any feedback that you can give that might improve it for the next person is more than welcome. And I keep working on it to improve it as much as I can. So the default value is going to be do search for user, sort by username, sending no. Default value. I guess each item's username. Oh, default value is a single option. I don't want that. I thought it was a list. Allow entries not on list when typing. I don't think so. This input should not be empty. Not necessarily. Okay, and now in users, we're going to do search box for users does not like that. Maybe I don't need a drop down then. Let's put a text element for the searches user value username. And this is going to be selected user. Okay. Selected user username. That's some gap spacing. 8. Next, we're going to do a date time picker. This is going to be the premium's expiration date. Play the drop downs to create month and year. Minimum value is going to be current date and time. This input should not be empty. And we're going to search for user. This input should not be empty. And then this is going to be date time picker, expiration date. Okay. And then we're going to have a button. And this button is going to be submit. 50. Ba-bum, ba-bum. Okay, and this is actually going to be hidden by default. And when current user's roles contains admin, this will be visible. And then on page load, we are going to navigate to the index page if you're not an admin. Doesn't contain admin, redirect to the index page because only the admin should get to this page. Now in submit, we're going to do data, make changes to a thing. We're going to do search box users value. We're going to set roles. We're going to add the role premium. And then we're going to set premium expiration date to whatever the calendar expiration date was. Value. Okay. Then we're going to say, actually, selected users current expiration date. That way, if they already have it, then I'll know to expand it. And then this is going to be search box users, value, premium, expiration date, formatted as 11/23/25 is fine. 11/23/25. Okay. Users current expiration date. And we're going to make that max to 250. Okay. And this should give premium to a user. And now I can give users premium manually. So that way I can give my students premium Tsumego Dragon when they sign up for lessons. Okay, so we're going to do tsumegodragon.com/version test/premium admin and dash premium. Okay, then we're going to search for a random user. That looks like crap, but I guess only the admin is going to see this, so it's probably fine. Can I make that look better? Roundness 5. Did that fix that? There we go. Selected user, then we're going to set the expiration to be 1 month from now. And then the submit actually needs to, I guess it doesn't need to reset the values because that way I can make sure it worked. So I can click submit. What happened? There we go. And then the current user's expiration date. It's 12/23/25. So that user should have premium. And I believe that should work. Do I want to send that user a notification that they got premium? Maybe I can. Notification, send push notification. Title, congratulations. You just got premium. Devices, I don't know. Result of step 1. What is devices? Welcome to premium. What is a device? Users device? Devices? Okay. I guess that works. Let's try that out. Let's give myself premium and see if we get a notification. Celsius. Let's give myself premium until December 23rd. Submit. Do I get a notification? I don't see any bugs on the console. Odd. What if I do this one? Hmm. Uh, I don't know what's going on. It's not working. See, can I do, oh, progress here, send a push notification. There we go. That's what I want. Okay, so let's delete that. That didn't work. Title, you just got premium. Body, welcome to premium. URL, megodragon.com. Email, going to be results of one user's email. Okay, that should work for that. LCS. Submit. Hey, there we go. You just got premium. Welcome to premium from Tsumego Dragon. Oh, that's so cool. I love being able to send notifications. Okay, that worked perfectly. So add an admin page to give a to create premium code. Oh, not a premium code. That's give users premium and manually set an expiration date. Okay, so that's to give users premium. Now I need to be able to create a premium code. So let's premium stuff. Let us duplicate this. Group premium code. Add a gap. 16. We'll call this premium code. This is not going to be a search for user. This is going to be an input. Input. Okay. Input is going to be premium code. Okay. Limit the number of characters, we'll say to 6. Prevent enter from submitting. Yes, because we want to click the button to verify. Date time picker will be code expiration date. This input should not be empty. This is going to be create code. Okay. We're going to delete this. So create code. I'm going to add a workflow. There's going to be data, create a new thing. So now we need data. We want to create something new. So we're going to do premium code. Okay, premium code. This is going to take in the code variable. It's going to be text. This is going to take in the expiration date. And this is going to take in users used. Users who have used this code. And this is going to be field type user. This is going to be a list. Okay. So that is going to be our premium code. Create code. I'm going to create a new thing. Premium code. This is going to take in the input field, input premium codes, value uppercase. This should be uppercase. Expiration date is going to be code expiration dates value. And then we're going to clear reset relevant inputs. Okay. And that should create a code. Well, let's go ahead and do this. Test it out. This is going to be test 25. The expiration is going to be tomorrow. Create code. Okay. Now the code should be created. Go to data, premium code, app data, test 25, expiration date November 24th. Awesome. Now let's make a repeating group. This is going to take in, this is going to be our codes, so we can see it. Premium codes. Premium code. Min height of row is going to be 50. This is going to be do search for premium code, sort by created date, sending yes. Close. Be centered. Max width is going to be 300. Let's make it 600. Now in here, we're going to take in a group. This group is going to be current cells code. Okay, this is going to be current cells premium code. Now we're going to do text. This text is going to be the text of the code. Premium code's code. Code. This is going to be small. Centered. Okay. Then we're going to take in copy, paste. This is actually going to be a row. We're going to separate the elements. And then this is going to be the expiration date. I'm going to format it as November 23rd, yeah. November 23rd, 2025. And then we're going to add an icon to delete it. So trash is going to be destructive, workflow, data, delete a thing. It's going to be parent group's premium code. Okay. Test 25. Test 25 2. Test 26. Create code. Delete code. Cool. Let's actually add one more. This will be creation date. Add a text. Created. Save. And text. Expiration. Save. Refresh that. Any possibility the app is offline usable? I wish, but no. I don't know how to do it, honestly. I wouldn't know how to do it. Maybe I could save puzzles to your device or something, but you got to realize the puzzles could be categorized. They could be in your custom sets. They could be campaign puzzles. It could be rated puzzles. There's so many different ways that you can do the puzzles that I don't know how I would do it. So unfortunately, I just can't think of a way to do it that would be good, I think. So that's going to have to be a no for now, at least. I wish I could, because I know that some people probably do want it that way. But I just don't see it being viable at the moment. And let's center that, center that, center that, and center that. Okay, so we have codes and create code. Let's actually know in this. If you search for premium code where the code equals this input's value uppercase, count is greater or equal to 1, then this input should not be valid. This input. Okay, so we're just gonna make it red. Color. Background color is going to be red. Okay, copy this. Would it be possible to add a customized category into a set? Like I would like to have Bamboo 7K and Capture AQ, etc. Like all the puzzles from one category. Technically you can do that if you add them to a set one by one. Are you saying like add a button to automatically add the entire category to a set? So for example, if I click on custom, I do capture, or if I do connecting, disconnecting, level 0, level 1, level 2, you're saying you want to have a button to save this entire collection as a set. A lazy button. Let me fix this. My niece and nephews were playing on this. Okay. Yep, there it goes, refreshed. It wouldn't be hard. I could just have a text right here, save entire set, and then just have a pop-up that lets you make the name, and then click save. Yeah, I can do that. I can do that. Let a user save a custom list as a new set. Custom category list as a new set. All right, added it to my Trello board. I'll get to it eventually. Yeah, I can add that. That's a good idea. I like it. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. That's a good idea. All right, so we have the premium codes, expiration, blah, blah, blah. Now if I do test 25, doesn't work. Okay, so in our create code, we need to terminate the workflow if the premium count is it's going to be input premium codes value uppercase exist. Then I cannot make a duplicate code. Okay, so I cannot make a duplicate code. Now I can delete the code and remake it, but I cannot make a duplicate code. All right, I think that's good. Oh, actually, I should add a count for how many users have actually redeemed it. So let's add a button and then make it not a button. Icon and label. It's going to be users who redeemed it. There's going to be Banger premium codes. Users who have used it count. This is not going to be a normal button. Delete, and we're going to say this element is not clickable. We're going to move that right here. Background color, I think, make it nothing. Nothing, and then we're going to have the icon color be black, but maybe I want it to be like green or something. I don't know. Gold, green, black. I want to make it green because I don't want to deal with dark mode eventually. Dark mode eventually will potentially affect this page, so I gotta get to dark mode eventually. Some point I need to do that. And this shows how many users redeemed the code. I like it. Easy and works. Okay, so now we got the premium code done. So admin can create a premium code. So we need to check the expiration date and we need to add an input code to the membership page. Let's go to the membership page. Let's add a group. Group is going to be premium code. This is going to take in an input. Code. This input should not be empty. Center it. Add some gap space. And let's add a button. Make this a row. Add gap space. Center it. This is going to be app text submit. Find and replace, no translation. To submit. Make it minimum 100, 150. That looks good. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. Let's center that and center that. Then we're going to do search for premium code where code equals this input's value. Count is less than 1. Then background color going to be red. We're going to say and this input's value is not empty. Okay. Okay, I'm going to copy that and then just copy the condition. Input code's value, and then input code value. Let's just actually leave it at that, because if it's empty, then that's also not a code, right? And then we're going to disable this button. This element is clickable as true. Now we're going to go to membership. We're going to do code test 2025. Okay. And then we'll have submit. Now in submit, we're going to data. Make changes to a thing. Current user. Probably need to make sure the user's signed in, right? Okay, so let's assume the user signed in. Current user. We're going to do roles add premium. We're going to do premium expiration date equals you search for premium code, add new constraint, code equals inputs codes value uppercase, first items expiration date. And then after that, we're going to navigate to the index page. Now in this, I need to make sure this is uppercase. Content format text. We need to actually make sure premium code's inputs value is uppercase. Hello, Midnight.
Midnight the Blue just traded with 27 viewers.
Welcome everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. Midnight, what was the overall record for the day? How did you do overall? Uppercase. Okay, and then if current user is logged out, this element will not be visible. Okay. Da-da-da. So let's hide this and put code and then put red text. Can I put, do I have a translation for you must be signed in? You must be logged in. Find and replace, no translation. You must be logged in. Okay, that right here. You must be logged in. So you have to log in to use a premium code. You have to have an account, right? We're gonna make this text red. I'm gonna say when current user is logged out and input code's value is not empty. This element is visible. Okay. For free Go bums for a year. So I'm thinking about doing premium codes for like 1 to 3 months as prizes for tournaments and stuff. And then also my students get Tsumego Dragon with lessons. So this will allow me to give my students premium codes. So if you wanted a year of Tsumego Dragon, you could get a year of lessons, and that would come with the year of Tsumego Dragon, right? And then for tournament codes, they're probably going to be 1 to 3 months for tournaments and whatnot. So I can sponsor tournaments with codes. Okay, must be logged in. Let's do text. Gonna be app text. Sign in. Find and replace. I don't think so. I really need to save my money for Christmas. So we have like 20 something people to buy Christmas presents for, and I just don't think I have the extra money. And I don't want to dip too deep into my savings to go to a tournament. So probably not. I would like to, but probably not. Because that's in, is that in December or January? February and beyond, I might consider it. But probably no tournaments. Ooh, that's like that's close to when I would do it. I'm leaning towards no, but it's not an impossibility. If I sell like more lessons and stuff, then maybe I'll go. But right now I'm leaning towards no because Christmas is just going to be so expensive and I don't want to dip too deep into my savings. Like I got savings and I don't want to take too much of my savings to go to a tournament right now. I like having my my cushion, my income cushion. But if I sell like a year of lessons or something in January, then I'll consider going. I mean, if you want to sponsor it, I'll go. Like, I'm not against going. I just it's expensive. Yeah. It's expensive to travel to a tournament. But yeah, you sponsor it, I'll go. Replace by sign in. No, yes, sign in. A slash app text sign up. Find and replace. No translation. Replace with sign. Yeah, pay for your opponents. Pay to play. Sign in / sign up. Text is going to be blue. And this is going to have the same condition. Copy text. This is going to be if current user is logged out, it's going to be visible. Okay, and this is going to be just show the pop-up. Sign up. Okay. Is it hidden by default? It is not. Hide by default. By default. Yep. And this will allow people to put in the codes that I create. Currently, though, the codes never expire, so we gotta work on that. Also, we have to do mobile. So we need to copy special, copy with workflows. Submit is done, right? Yeah, make changes to user, add premium, set the expiration date. So let's go to home mobile. Okay. We're going to inspect this as mobile. Okay. And then I'm going to sign out, settings, logged in. So we're going to sign out. Yeah, come back. Don't stress. Don't stress about losing. Play the game. Maybe enter the rank or two lower and sandbag a tournament. Get your groove back. Be like, I haven't played in a year and I've D-ranked, so I want to D-rank and self-demote and blah blah blah, and I want to actually be able to win. I don't know if they'll let you do that though. But yeah, sandbag a year and get yourself back up there. Yeah. Okay. Loading screen flashing. Sandbagging is not allowed or encouraged. I mean, to like, if you're out of practice, is it really sandbagging? Like, don't go to a tournament just to lose every single game is what I'm saying. Like, give yourself a chance to win some games. Sandbagging is one of those really delicate topics. Gotta be really careful with sandbagging. I think there's a lot of moral implicity with sandbagging, but I can't deny there is some benefits to it. Not doing it all the time, of course, but like when you're in a slump, take a week off, come back, make an account like 2 ranks weaker, then work your way back up. Get yourselves out of a slump. If you need to warm up for a tournament, make an account like 2 ranks weaker and rank yourself up to warm up for the tournament. Yeah, so like there's benefits to warming up or mentally preparing yourself And lowering your rank by 2 ranks and working your way back up is a great way to mentally prepare or get your spirits back up, to warm up or get back into it or whatever. So there's definitely some conflict, and then there's the teaching aspect, like what Bats does. Bats sandbags for lecture or lesson topics. I sandbagged with permission from the players, so I asked someone to volunteer to let me beat them up for the Classy Approach series. So I think that one was pretty acceptable, because that was volunteers. Yeah. So it's definitely a delicate topic. But yeah, it is against terms of service of OGS. Let's see, loses. So yeah. I mean, if you lose, you lose. Can't really do much about it, right? All right. So it doesn't look like we can even go to the premium page if we're not signed in. Can I go to puzzles, customize practice? Yeah, I should get limited soon, right? There is a limit, right? Wait, can you just do puzzles on mobile without signing up? Wait, does mobile not have a puzzle limit? Hold up. Hold up. Can people just do unlimited puzzles on mobile without subscribing? When did I do that? Maybe it's at 20? Okay. Who needs people to get premium, right? Who needs premium? That's funny. That is funny. What about sets? Are sets premium? Is literally nothing premium on mobile? Campaign? That premium? Oh man, you fell down some stairs. That's really unfortunate. Yeah, I gotta update this on. Ugh. I gotta update this on mobile. Oh no. I didn't realize you fell down the stairs there. I'm so sorry to hear that. I didn't realize someone fell down the stairs. I was there, yeah. Was that the year that I was there? So basically nothing is rate limited. Is that what I'm hearing? Okay, that's a bug. The book isn't wide enough. Why has no one told me this? Well, yeah, if you fell down and hurt yourself, I would expect it to be a doozy. Oh my gosh. Nothing's even like premium on the mobile app. Need to hide pattern search and pattern search doesn't work anymore, right? Because I didn't finish this, so I really need to hide this until it's done. Yeah, look at this crap. This is ridiculous. So 3 things are supposed to be paywalled, and they're not.
Important.
Uh-huh. Mobile does not get paywalled at all. That's a big bug. That is a really big bug. Oh man, I gotta fix that. I gotta fix that. Whoops. Whoops. Okay. Okay. And then I needed to hide pattern search and pro players. And books, honestly. Actually, does books lead to, yeah, it leads to go books, that's fine. Pattern search and pro players need to hide. Hide pattern search and pro players on mobile. I mean, yeah, if you guys want free Tsumego Dragon for temporarily, get on mobile. Apparently there's no limits. Whoops. There will be next update. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. Okay. When subscribe is showing, the daily challenge should not be. Actually, nothing should be showing. So when view new subscribe is showing, view should not be. View new subscribe is visible. This element is visible, no. Oh, wait, I gotta copy that and put it on the, not on home. I need to do it on the navigation bar. There we go. So where do I want this? Create another button. I'm gonna call this code. Code. I don't have a word for code. I guess I'll just put it in English, code. That sucks. I don't have a translation for code. Okay. Oh, this is not good. This is not a button. That should be a button. Code. Okay, okay. Now this is going to show a different window. So we have button code. I want this to be a secondary button. Actually, I want it to be a flat button. Do a premium code. Do I have a text for premium? Premium, I do. Premium code. Find and replace. No translation. Gonna be premium. Premium code. With an E, with an E, with an E. There we go. Premium code. Okay, and now what this is going to do is we're going to copy this, paste it, hide that, hide that, hide that. What is the condition on this? Parent group Stripe subscription plan is subscription yearly. Parent group Stripe subscription is lifetime. Subscription plan. What if I hide this? We'll make some conditionals in just a second. Okay, so this is going to be group premium code. Why is my E button not working? This is going to be nothing. I'm going to clear that expression. Delete that. Hello, Jesserac. Welcome, welcome. And we're going to delete these. And we're going to paste special, paste with workflows. You must be logged in, sign in, set up. Okay. Nice, congratulations on ranking up. Welcome to Tudon. Today, I am setting up premium codes so that way I can give away codes as prizes and to students that will give them premium for a limited amount of time. And I can set expiration dates for the codes, etc. So now I'm like handling inputs on mobile. Okay, so when the thing is, I need a button that takes you back. And I need this to be a column. Centered. Why do these not shrink? There we go. And then subscription plans can be visible. Submit, stretch it, center it, previous, center it. And then this one's going to be a flat button. App text. Never mind. Find and replace. No translation. Never mind. Never mind. Okay. This is going to be premium code parent, group premium code parent. All right. And this is going to just be visible. Now, when this one is clicked, we're going to do navigation or element, hide an element, group, premium code parent. Okay, and this is going to move into the folder subscription. Subscribe folder. And this one's going to move to folder subscribe as well. Okay. This is going to be invisible by default. And then in my subscription plan, premium code is going to show an element, premium code parent. Then when our premium code parent is visible, this element is visible is no. I'm going to do the same thing for this. What is this issue? That is loud. That laundry or something? Mm-hmm. Okie dokie. Okay, that should do for that. Can you grab me a water while you're coming? Thank you. subscribe. Premium code. Never mind. Premium code. Never mind. Premium code. Never mind. Cool. So I have a premium code now. Nice. Let's click submit. And now I'm premium, but unfortunately this still shows. Okay. Home content. Okay, and we're going to say current user roles contains lifetime or, actually, no, not or. I'm going to copy this and paste it. Roles contain premium. And then I'm just going to remove premium when the expiration date happens or whatever. Okay. So add a input user to the membership page, add an input user on the mobile page. Now we need to check the expiration date on desktop and mobile and remove premium if it's past the expiration date. So workflow, we're going to say do when, let's do page is loaded. Page is loaded. Da 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 da. Onboarding display, current users logged out, current boarding onboarders is no, blah, blah, blah. So we're going to do data, make changes to a thing. This is going to be current user only when current users roles contains premium and current users premium expiration date is less than current date time. And then we're going to do roles remove premium. Okay, and copy that. Index, and do the same thing. It's going quite well. And then we spent this week also speeding up the loading page. We actually fixed several bugs. So on the Play Online, page, the game page, we have sped up load time by 3 seconds, 2 to 3 seconds, I believe. So the game page loads much, much faster. And then we filtered out in player challenges, we filtered out correspondence. So now it doesn't show 60 or 100 because apparently all of those were correspondence. So yeah, we fixed that. And then we also changed, if you're 2Q or stronger, you're doing ±5 instead of ±3 to give yourself games, or a better chance to get into games, because there's not enough Dawn players. But otherwise, I think it's going pretty well so far. I haven't heard of anything like super breaking, so that is nice. I'm not sure how many people are using it though, so that's to be determined. Let's do page is loaded on index, and then we're going to check for premium. All right, so I don't really think I need to worry about doing this everywhere. I think just putting it on the index pages and home pages is good enough. Yeah, I don't think I need to worry about it in other places. I think it's fine. Okay, is that and that. So now premium is done. Thank you so much. Love you. Okay, so now we can give people premium when when this update releases. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so on home, mobile, I need to hide the broken pages. So this is going to be group user, section, and study. We are going to hide the pattern search. And the pro players. These pages just are not ready yet. You know, it's just not ready yet. I was working on it, I liked it, and now I hate it again. Okay. So does this take you to my YouTube? Go to page video. No, let's just send this to my YouTube channel. Open an external website. https://youtube.com/Clausius. We'll open that in a new tab. Yeah. I don't feel like dealing with all that otherwise. Okay. Did that. Mobile does not get paywalled at all. Oh, this is going to be involved, isn't it? Okay, in view problem, group Gobon group, Gobon Tsumego logic. Why is there no paywall? Shape user limit. Current user sessions problem solved is greater than or equal to session max for free users number, and page is loaded entirely. So on Gobon Tsumego logic allow free users, no limit is yes. Roles intersects with roles. What? Current users roles intersects with roles. What? I don't know what that means. Current users contains lifetime. Current users contains premium. Gobon Symmetric Logic's level is 0 or 1. Current user subscribed on Stripe. Okay. This should be popping up. Let's go back to home mobile. Puzzles. This one's premium, actually. I need to show premium expiration date. Show premium expiration dates on mobile. Show premium expiration date on desktop. What was I doing? I'm blanking on what I was just doing. What was I doing? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm going into the problems. Problem. Page load. Custom problem page is loaded. Give you from URL problems displayed is Gobon, Tsumego logics loaded, and pages loaded entirely. Problems display. Set states allow for users no limit. Get type of page is ranked. Copy that. Paste that only if it's ranked. Copy that. Give view is problems display and go on Tsumego logic is loaded. This is custom problem page loaded. Go to event, set users, allow for users, no limit, no. What? Trigger custom problem page loaded. Okay, so when views problems display and the go on Tsumego logic is loaded and page is loaded entirely, trigger custom problem page loaded. When the URL is ranked, set the allow user free limits to no. Get type is ranked blah blah blah. Trigger ranked loaded event. Let's paste this to allow free users no limit. Oh, clear that expression. I do want it to be no, and if it's ranked, I want it to be yes. Allow for users no limit to be yes only when it's ranked display. Go to custom. Okay. Looks like it handles that already. Trigger load Tsumego list. Okay. So ranked. Page loaded. So custom problem page loaded. Set users free limit to no when the URL is problems display. Okay, and ranked sets a free limit. Okay. Page is loaded. Make changes to user, terminate this workflow, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Ranked page loaded. Ranked correct event. Ranked next. Where's custom? So when the group puzzle is this, customize practice, go to page problem, view equals custom page. Okay, go to page problem. In page problem, Look at all these uncategorized. Pages loaded. Pages loaded entirely. Set users. No limit. No. Set state allow free users. No limit. No. Pages loaded. It should be. What the heck? What's my limit? Static numbers. Session max for free users. 5. Should be 5 puzzles. One. Four. 5. There it is. Why wasn't it working a minute ago? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, that's rate limited now. Sets. Rate a set. I guess I don't need to worry about this as long as the custom is limited. That was a bug. Why am I just skipping that? Puzzles. Can we save puzzles? Can we bookmark puzzles? There's no bookmark button. I wonder if it's only visible if you're... Hello, numbers. Welcome, welcome. Is it really your first time in this chat? I've seen you all over the place on Twitch. Oh. And problem. Mobile buttons. Bookmark. Current user is logged out. Okay. That's fine. It shouldn't matter if, as long as this wall pops up, it doesn't matter if you're doing sets or custom or whatever. Now, in customized practice, the elephant's eye has no idea why I changed to be honest. Well, now you're just numbers. Okay, okay. Did it reset? What? Oh, there it goes. Oh, I think it's on the sets page. There's a bug. Yeah. Sets. Delete that. $250 center. Then top 15. Okay, and then on the mobile, I'm just gonna hide the set section unless you're logged in, if you're not logged in. And when we refresh, it got rid of all that. Yep, that looks a lot better. Like this, it takes you home. No, I wasn't watching. I didn't even know what it was. Okay, that's good. In home, under puzzle, sets, is not going to be visible if you're logged out. Current users logged out. No sets for logged out users because it'll just get deleted anyway. Element is visible is no. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then puzzles, they're logged out so they don't see it. Perfect. This should collapse when hidden. Collapse when hidden. Perfect. So we hid the hide sets for logged out users. I think we fixed mobile does not get paywalled. Show premium expiration date on mobile and desktop. So in home content, I think I want text to be here. Let's actually put it here. Oh, undo that, undo that. Text, I want the text to be under the username. When current users premium roles contains premium, this element is visible. I'm going to lower this to body small. This is going to be app text premium. Find and replace. No translation. With premium. And then we're going to insert current users, premium expiration date, formatted as November 23rd, 2025. It's going to be premium November 23, 2025. So that's the expiration date of premium. Should it be premium colon or do I have an expiration? I don't think I have an expiration app text. Expiration, nope, I do not. So just delete it. Okay. Seems good. We'll copy this. Now on mobile, it should show my premium expiration if I have premium. So let's go to, I guess I gotta sign up. Subscribe, premium code, test 25, submit. Premium until November 24th, 2025. All right. Seems good. Now we're gonna get off mobile and go to the home page. Index. Now in our home section, in the top, blah, 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 username, profile picture, spacer. We're going to want this. Maybe under this section, under username. Paste. Current user roles contain premium. Let's put it on the left. I don't want it to go all the way to the left. This is centered with a max width of 1600. Let's put centered, max width 1600, and then do that. That should be the same position now. It is not. What the heck? What the heck? Why is this so much further left? Max width 1280, centered. I don't get it. Why is that so far left? Let's make it 1280 then. There we go. Premium until November 24th, 2025. Okay. Did that. Did that. Okay. Premium looks good to go. I actually want to hide a subscribe button over here. Where's the subscribe button? Group row, group right, button unlimited puzzles. Current user's role contains premium. This element is visible as no. So it already has it. Perfect. Perfect. All right, I think premium's done. Now I can make premium codes and whatnot to give out to people. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. I've been needing to do that for like so long, and it's just not been a high priority, I guess, for some reason. Add a way to gift TD subscriptions. I have no idea how to do that. I guess I have to make a page called gift, let you select a user, charge you a one-time payment, and give that user premium. Do I want to do that next? Let users gift a Tsumego Dragon subscription to someone else. I don't know what I want to work on next. Let users save a custom category list as a new set. I don't know. A lot of these are just like not hard, just time consuming. Just a matter of like what I want to do first. Okay, what do I want to do next? Gifts to Mega Dragon subscriptions, or let users save a custom category list as a new set. I don't know. You guys have any votes on features you want? All right, let's let a user save a custom category list as a new set. Let's add that. Okay, and floating group problem. Okay, and this group Tsumego, we have text, more, for problem. Share this problem. So let's copy this and paste. Save. Save. Copy that. Paste. Save. Custom. Custom. Paste. Set. Dang. I don't have set singular. Collection? No. Puzzles? Save custom puzzles. Puzzles. Save custom puzzles. Okay. So this text is hovered, so it's not going to be visible unless it's custom. So when the URL contains custom, how do I get that? Group more is visible, current page, solve status, get type from page URLs, advanced elements, display, challenge display, puzzle paths display, ranked display. I want type to be custom. So when type is custom, this element's going to be visible. Okay, so we're going to do custom. Capture, connect. Let's do connect and disconnect. Where's disconnect? Cutting? Oh, capture, connecting, cutting, whatever. Level 0, start. View is problem, type is user list. Okay. Type is user list. user not underscore list. What the heck? Why is there 2 user lists? Good comment. Get type from URL. And this is type is going to be user list, lowercase l, lowercase l. Type is user list. Save custom puzzles. Okay. So we're going to add a workflow. This is going to go into problem custom or just problem. Put it in problem, I guess. Yeah, put it in problem. Okay, what this is going to do is show a pop-up. And this pop-up is going to be similar to create a set. This is going to be pop-up, save custom list. Okay. This is going to take in a text. We're going to do app text custom find and replace. No translation. Custom. Insert dynamic data. Paste. This is going to be custom list. Puzzles. Custom puzzles. Oh, dadgummit, I timed out. Really? Ah, bubble. Bubble, bubble, bubble. What time is your Dungeons and Dragons?
6.
6? Okay, so I have 2 hours left to stream. About?
Give or take.
Give or take. Come on. You can do it. Load the page. Yeah, Bubble probably updated or something, so I'm going to have to completely close the tab and reopen it because blah, blah, blah. Okay, okay. Load, 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 load. Pop up, create category, create a set. Pop up language, pop up user, pop up add to list. Pop up bug report, pop up save custom list. There you go. Paste. going to be puzzles. Puzzles. Save puzzles. Going to center this, and then we're going to make this a section heading. Maybe a section title. Okay. Next, we're going to have an input. This is going to be app text name. Find and replace. No translation. Name. Limit number of characters. We'll do 20. This input should not be empty. Okay. Then we're going to have a button. This button is going to be create. Create a set. Find and replace. No translation. Create a set. Create a set. Okay, we're gonna expand that as big as we can. We're going to create gap element 16, and then we're going to duplicate this. We're going to put never mind. Never mind. And this one is going to be a flat button. Okay. This one is just going to fit the height. So never mind is going to hide the pop-up. It's going to hide an element. Pop-up. Create a set. What did I call it? What did I call it? Save custom list. Save custom list. Okay. And then this is going to be in a folder called save custom list pop-up. Move to folder, save custom list pop-up. Okay. Now we're going to create a set. I'm going to hide the element pop-up. Save custom list. And then we're going to do data. I think it's create a new thing. Set. Tsumego set. Let's actually move this to save custom list pop-up. Add all fields. Tsumego cards. What? What? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Do I have to create a card for every single Tsumego? Create set. Create a new Tsumego set. You set inputs, hide, create a set. Okay, index. This is going to be in problem Or report, blah, blah, blah. Back, difficulty, next, load, previous icon, that, icon right. Explore, restart, hint, auto next, undo. Where's my bookmark? Icon bookmark. Show add to list. Add to list. Got it. Cell is clicked. Create a set. Add a workflow. Trigger toggle. Toggle Tsumego to list. Create a new Tsumego set card. Thing to change set. Tsumego cards add. Or delete the set Tsumego card. Oh, beans. Why in the world do I have a Tsumego set card instead of just Tsumego? Oh, because you can index them and set the order. Ah, beans. It's going to be so much more difficult than I thought. Create a new Tsumego set. Name equals input. I didn't name the input. Input custom set name. Name equals custom set name value. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do this on the back end. Because I don't think I can create a list of things. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to the backend workflow and make a new custom event or whatever. I think it's an API workflow. It's not public. We run without authentication. Ignore privacy rules. Endpoint name is going to be create a custom puzzle set. Actually, I don't think I can have spaces. Create custom puzzle set. Parameter is going to be set. Make a set. And then puzzles. It's going to be Tsumego. Oh, is that the results? Kim Sung Jin. Win, 7 done. 10 plus, 2 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus, 3 plus. This is one ugly page. Oh, that is a lot of yellow. Okay, basically they're really strong. That's what that is. Country, Germany. Okay. So we're going to create a new thing. Going to be Tsumego. Set card. Index is going to be puzzles count. Oh, it's a list. List. Puzzles list. Puzzles count. Level is going to be puzzles last items level. Tsumego is going to be puzzles last item. And then we're going to backend workflows. No, we're going to do element data, make changes to a thing. Set Tsumego cards, add result to step 1. And then we're going to call itself schedule API workflow. This is going to be create custom puzzle set only when puzzles count is greater than 1. Okay, so let's say I send 2 puzzles. It creates the puzzle for the second one. Okay, so the count is 2. I take away the last one, I send 1, count is 1, and then it won't call it again. Okay, so set is going to be set. Puzzles is going to be puzzles minus item. Minus item. Puzzles last item. It's going to work its way through the list. Schedule date, current date time, plus seconds 1. I think that should be fine. Ignore privacy rules. So it's going to call it, give it the set, give it the puzzles, and then every second it's going to add to the list. So it'll take however many seconds long that the list is. Okay. So now we're going to go back to workflows. Create a new Tsumego set. We're going to schedule an API workflow. This is going to be create custom puzzle set. Is going to be result to step 2, create a Tsumego set. Schedule date is going to be current date time plus seconds 1. Puzzles is going to be see, floating group or a group problem. In group problem, we have, where is this? This is getting repeating group problem, Tsumego list container, list of Tsumego. List of Tsumego. Okay. I think that will do it. Should create a list of Tsumego, depending on what you have selected. Okay. So I have 67 puzzles. Right. Then save custom puzzles. Oh, this doesn't show the pop-up. Yeah, it does. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. Save custom puzzles. No workflow. Element show pop-up. Save custom list. Name testing set. We'll say 2025-1. Create a set. Okay. Now we're going to go to puzzles, sets, testing set 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. There we go. Now if I load the set, 14, 15, 16. Yeah! It's doing it! It's loading the set. All right, and then we go back. We can edit the set. 7, 36, 5, 4, 3, 2, 31, 30. Oh, this is actually loading it backwards. I suppose it doesn't matter. Because it was randomized anyway. But maybe people want the sets in the same order. I think it did do it in the same order, actually. Okay. Load set. Okay, either way, saves the set. You have a set. It's a random order, but whatever. That was odd. Okay, now I just got to do this on mobile. Okay. Inspect, make it mobile, and go to the index page. Now we're going to do puzzles, sets. No, puzzles custom. Customize practice. Okay. This is going to be capture race, difficulty to level 2 and level 3. Start. Okay. So problem view equals custom. So first we need to duplicate the pop-up. So pop-up, we're going to copy special, copy with workflows. I'm going to go to the problem page. And we're going to paste special, paste with workflows. Okay. That'll give us an issue, but we're going to fix that in a second. Go back to index. And then we're going to go to our little text, save custom puzzles, copy special, copy with workflows, go back to our problem page. And then in our mobile buttons, paste special, paste with workflows. The problem, so v equals custom. So get v from the parameter, and this is going to be custom. Element is visible. Then we're going to edit workflow. It's going to be show pop-up, save custom list. Then I'm going to make a folder, pop-up, save custom list. We're going to move this to that folder. Okay, and that'll show it. Now in our pop-up, save custom list. This will be our input custom set name. I don't know why this is white. Okay, create a set, hide, pop up, save custom list. Actually, I need to put this in the folder. Save custom list, hide, pop up, save custom list. Save custom list, create a new Tsumego set, and then schedule an API workflow. And this is going to take in the Tsumego list. So repeating group. Let's actually figure out what this one is. Repeating group Tsumego's list of Tsumego. Paste repeating group Tsumego's list of Tsumego. Okay, create new Tsumego set and do that, and then hide it. Yeah, that should be it. So we're going to capture race, difficulty, level 2, level 3, level 4, start. Should only show it when the bookmark is showing, right? So in our, whatever it is, group Tsumego, interaction button is invisible. Okay. Capture cap erase, difficulty, blah, blah, blah. Start. Oop. Save custom puzzles. Save custom puzzles. Name test 2025-2. Create a set. Let's go back. Sets. 10, 11, 12. All right. Boom. Working perfectly. Okay, I have one more bug that I want to test. Go to the home page. Let's go to puzzles, sets. Let's get test, has 0 puzzles. Crap. Let's load this set. I wanted to see if I get paywalled after 5. So boom, 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 boom. There's 1, 2, Oops. No, I didn't. I'm fine. 3, 4, 5. Not getting paywalled. Oh, do I have premium actually? Oops. Messed up. Does this account have premium? Premium until tomorrow. Okay, it's fine. I think it'll be fine. Okay, so let the user save a custom category list as a new set is done. Okay. Awesome. So we're making good progress through our list today. Got several things done so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. Nice, nice. All right, what do we want to work on next? Actually, before we move on, I need to use the restroom, so I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Add a way to gift Tsumego Dragon subscriptions. So I think for this, I'm going to create a new page called gift. Make it column. Gonna be gift. Then we're going to make the style page. We're going to get our logo wide. Going to center it, make it 50 by 200. 16 from the top. Next, we're going to do a search box. Gonna be app text username. Find and replace. No translation. Username. Be dynamic choices. Define list of options is going to be users. Sort by username. Sending, no. Close. Field to search. Username. Center. Okay. And then this input should not be empty. And then the roundness is going to be, edit the style. Standard search roundness is going to be 5. Roundness is going to be 5. Okay. In GIF, we're going to apply gaps. It's going to be 16. Okay, and then once you have a username, we're going to give a button. Actually, we're going to add text for a title. App text gift give share find and replace, no translation, share space, insert dynamic data, copy, paste. This is going to be premium, share premium. Premium. Share premium. We're going to center this, and then we're going to make this heading 1. I want to do uppercase, and it's fine. It's fine. Share premium. Okay. When current page width is less than desktop, font size going to equal 36. Okay, so we select the username. Now we need a button. Middle, and then we're going to do one app text month. Capitalize words. Nope. Find and replace first. No translation. Month. Capitalize words. And then it's going to be $10. 1 month, $10. Okay. Max width 250. And do that. Min width, make this element a fixed width. 250. Then when search value is empty, this element isn't clickable, is true. Now we're going to copy this. This is going to be 6 months. And this is going to be 55. 6 months, 55. Okay. We paste. And then this is going to be 12 months for 100. 12 months for 100. And then finally, I'm going to do lifetime. If you want to gift lifetime to someone. $300. Lifetime 300. Add workflow. Payment. Charge the current user. Amount. This will be $10. Okay. USD. Name is going to be gift 1 month. Is going to be Tsumego Dragon 1 month gift. We're not going to allow promotion codes, I think. Yeah, we're not going to allow promotion codes, I think. Okay. I have to pay you this transaction as another user. What? I don't know how to do that, but I didn't even know it could do that. Okay, charge the user $10, gift 1 month. Data, make changes to a thing. The search username value. Change a field. Roles. Add. Add premium. And then premium expiration date is going to be this user's premium expiration date plus months 1. Only when this user's premium expiration date is not empty. No. And value premium expiration date is greater than current date and time. Okay, so that way you don't take away their premium that they already have. You add a month to the username. So if their premium is not empty and it's greater than the current date and time, add to it. Otherwise, it's going to be current date time plus month 1. Okay. So it's going to be is empty or less than or equal to. We're going to do less than current date time. Now, if it's exactly current date time, neither one will fire, but what are the odds that they get the exact second, right? If they do, they'll report it and I'll just give it to them. Okay. Then we're going to reset relevant inputs. We'll show success, app text, success, find and replace, no translation, success. Maybe success. This is going to be section title. Going to be green. Success. Success. Okay, and this is not going to be visible. And then at the end of the payment, we're going to show an element, text success. Additionally, one of these errors, charge a current user, fill out a description and fill out an image. Okay, charge current user, description, gift, Tsumego Dragon 1 month gift to search value username. Okay. I'm also going to send an email to myself. Send email to clausius.seanray@gmail.com. Sender name, Tsumego Dragon. Subject, 1 month gift premium. From current user's username to search values username. Okay. And then show success. And then we're going to notify the user who gets it. So it's going to be notification, progressive send push notification. Title, premium gift. Body, current user's username. Gifted you 1 month. Let me actually. Yeah, it's gonna have to be English. Gifted 1 month premium. Because I don't think it's, if I do the translation, it might be the user's translation, and then someone might, like, if a Korean gifted me a sub for some reason, I would get a Korean notification, and I wouldn't be able to read it. So I think it's just going to default it to English. Email, we're going to insert search usernames value email. Okay, it's gonna be premium gift. Charge can you remember to fill out an image. Okay, this image is going to be get an option, static images, logo. Okay. So it'll charge the user $10, notify me, and then it will add the role premium to the user that they searched for, reset the relevant input, show success, and send the notification to the user. Okay. So now we're gonna copy that and paste. Now this is going to be button 6 months. Charge the current user. It's going to be 55. It's going to be gift 6 month. 6 month gift to user. Statement description is going to be gift 6 month. Tsumego Dragon 6 month gift. Okay, for 55. What I said, right? 55. Send email to me. 6 month gift premium. Make changes to user premium plus 6. Their premium expiration date plus 6. Or current date and time months plus 6. Reset relevant inputs, show success, and this is going to gift 6 months in your notification. Okay, let's copy that and paste that. Charge the current user 100. This is going to gift 12 months. 12-month gift. 12-month gift. Okay. Send an email. 12-month gift. Premium. Going to be plus 12. 12. Success. Gifted 12. Premium gift. And then we're going to paste. Now this one is going to be $300. This is going to be lifetime gift. Tsumego Dragon lifetime gift to user. Statement description, Tsumego Dragon lifetime gift. Send email. Going to be lifetime gift. Okay, so this is actually going to delete that because I don't need to do any of this. Instead, I'm going to do roles add lifetime. Reset relevant input, show success. Current user gifted a lifetime membership to gifted a lifetime membership to you. Okay. Premium gift, send it to the user. That should all be working. This is misspelled. It's bothering me. S-U-C, S-U-C. Success. Okay. Okay. Now, in version test, we're going to go to gift. Username Clausius. We're going to gift 1 month. At most 22 characters. Okay. Okay. The statement description. At most 22 characters. Right? The description. Statement descriptor must be at most 22 characters. Most 22 characters. Clear expression. Okay. Ooh, I forgot to change the buttons. That would have been bad. Okay, this one is 55, so that's 6 months. This one is 100. That is the 12-month button, and this one is the lifetime button. Ooh, that would have sucked. Yep. That would have been bad. Okay, 6 months. Clear that expression. Okay, 12 month. Clear that expression. Lifetime. Clear the expression. Refresh. Clausius. 1 month. Descriptor, Tsumego Dragon 1 month gift is 27 characters. Oh, whoops. I guess I changed the wrong one. Description, dynamic descriptor. Ah. Okay, so let's do TD 1 month gift. TD 6 month gift. TD 12 month gift. TD lifetime gift. Refresh. Clausius. 1 month. Alrighty, $10, SumegoDragon.com. Four two. 12, 27, 123. Test mode. Oh, zip code 12345. Okay. Hey. Don't know. Full name on card. Paste that. Okay. This is in test mode, so I'm not actually getting charged anything. Parameter URL cannot be empty. Tsumegodragon.com. It's always something, huh? Didn't show success though. Weird. 1 month, 6 months. Press here. Lifetime. Okay. Show up text success. Try this again. Osseous. 1 month. 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42. 12, 25, oh, 27, 123, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Hey, someone gifted me 1 month subscription. My credit card was successfully charged. Success! All right. Notification. Someone gifted 1 month premium. Okay, let's do it again. Osseous. Gonna do 6 months premium. For 2, 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 for 2. 12, 26, 23. There. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pay. $55. Success. Gifted 6 months premium. Osseous. 12 month. Okay. 12, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pay. I know. $100 for 12 months. Hey. Come on. All right. Now, finally, let's test lifetime. Osseous. Loading. Celsius. Okay, it's loading quite slowly. Guess I've been refreshing the page too much. How odd. Why is it slow all of a sudden? How's everyone in chat doing? I haven't been talking to chat enough today. Doing anything interesting? Why is it not loading all of a sudden? Okay. How odd. Struggling to load on my phone too. Okay. Looks like it loaded on my phone. Took it a minute. It is being slow. What in the world? All of a sudden it's being super slow. Must be Firefox or something. Celsius. Why isn't it working? Why is it not working all of a sudden? There we go. Celsius. We did the 12-month. Let's do lifetime. For two. 12, 27, 1, 2, 3. Full name on card. Blah, 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 blah. Zip code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and Tsumego Dragon get lifetime gift, $300. Okay. Success. Premium gifts from Tsumego Dragon. Classy gifted a lifetime membership to you. Booyah! All right, the gift page is up and running. Now we just have to navigate there. Where do I want this button? maybe under more. Do I want it more obvious or is that fine? Like under more? Or do I want a bigger button somewhere? I don't know where I want this button. Maybe under main. Yeah, let's do it under main. Copy, paste. Going to be view gift. Gift doesn't exist. What do I do? Share premium. Share. If it even fits. Share premium. Yeah, it looks like it fits. Copy. Dynamic data, paste. Premium. Premium. And then this is going to navigate you. Go to page. Gift. Okay, now let's do the same thing on mobile. And main, share premium. Nice. So in home, top bar, section, we have our navigation. All right, this one I'm gonna look at mobile view. Mobile view looks perfect. Okay, where do I want this button on mobile? Maybe in more. More seems natural. Yeah, I think more. Okay, let's go to group view more. Okay, copy paste. This is going to be gift premium, and it's going to be share paste. Premium. Premium. Share premium. Icon. Oh, what icon do I want? What icon should I use? Diamond will work. Okay, let's copy a divider. Copy paste. Move that between these two. Now this one, share premium, we are going to navigate, go to page, gift. Okay, share premium. All right, that's good to go. Add a way to share, to gift Tsumego Dragon subscriptions. Man, we got a lot done today. Add a way to give users premium, hide some stuff, show premium expiration date on mobile, premium expiration date on desktop, mobile does not fix that mobile doesn't get paywall. I think that one was never a bug, actually. I think it was because we were doing level 0 problems, which are not paywalled. Let users save custom categories list as a new set, and add a way to gift Tsumego Dragon subscriptions. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We will need to redo the shop soon because I'm getting rid of the loot boxes or the treasure chest, and I have to think of something else to do for the store. I'm not sure what. I think for the eggs, I'm just going to show like eggs, like generic eggs. And then for the skin, the go board stones and skins, I'm not sure what to do because I don't want to show those because I want them to be random. Oh, but I don't know what to do. Not sure what I should do for the shop. Yeah, market, solve puzzles to get gold. And then home. When you click edit, you see your dragon and background choices. But I think I want to add a button market to see your dragons. So that way it'll be easy to find from there. Let's add a button real quick. So in our market home, I want to add a button. And this button is going to be app text view find and replace. No translations, no translation. This is going to be view. Insert dynamic data, and this is going to be dragons or dragon. Dragons. Dragons. View dragons. There. Yeah, sure, why not? Max width 300. Okay. And this is going to go into our market folder. And this is going to show an element. This is going to be view dragon images. View dragons, backgrounds, close out. Beautiful. Put this above the little loading thing. All right, now let's do it on desktop. So let's close this. Go to home. Now I need a button for your dragons. Where should I put a button to view your dragons? Maybe up here. What if I put a text element right here? And centered it, and then made it blue. And called this view dragons. View view dragons. View dragons. And then we want to show something. And No. I don't know where it is. Where is it? I have no idea where it is. Okay. Find it first. We're gonna go to main profile, click edit, and this is the pop-up. Where on earth is this pop-up? I don't know where it is. Okay, let's go to the profile. Where's the profile? Move this to home. Sets, quest, problem, page loaded, mistakes, market, left side menu, home, header, forum, challenge, campaign, book. Okay, what the heck? I can't find anything. Where is profile? View profile right here. And view profile. Oh, view profile page version 1. Oh, it's not on this page. Got it. I just have to copy paste it onto the page though. Pop-up dragons. There we go. Copy special, copy with workflows, go back to index. Paste special, paste with workflows. Okay, and home. View dragons. Add workflow. Element actions, show an element. Pop up. Dragons. All right, now why do I have bugs? Index, users, dragons, data source should be user, but right now it's empty. Okay, do a search for users dragon, user dragon cards. Where is it? Current users dragons. Dragon cards container. What is it hoping for? Pop-up dragons, users dragons, data source. What is it wanting? Group user. It wants the user. Okay, that's not terrible. Okay. is going to be current user. Should be user, but right now it's empty. So current user. Profile picture round. Current user. Okay. Now we're gonna go to home. View dragons. All right, and I can see my dragons. See them as eggs. Backgrounds doesn't work though. Hatch. Luna. Hatch. Stardust. Okay. Nice. Now, why doesn't this work? Toggle dragons background. When user backgrounds is visible, user backgrounds, user's dragon isn't visible, user's dragons. Just this. Dragons, add workflow. Move this to the new folder. Dragons pop up. Okay, thank you. Move this to folder dragons pop up. Gonna be element actions, show an element, dragons, users dragons. Okay. And then background going to be move to folder dragons pop up. This is going to be hide an element, users dragons. I'm gonna actually rename this folder. Dragons pop up. Rename. I'm gonna do pop up first. Pop up dragons. View dragons. Backgrounds. Set background. Dragons. Stardust. Oh man, they have descriptions still? Not right now. Oh, I need to get rid of that. I don't think they all have descriptions anymore. All these down here. They have descriptions? Yeah, not all of them have descriptions, so I probably need to get rid of that. Okay, do they all have custom eggs though? I think so. Nice. What did these not? These don't have eggs. Some of the dragons do not have eggs. All right, but make it easier to find your dragons on Egg and Desktop. Done. Cool. Cool. I should show how many gems I have. show gems and dragon pop up. Okay. How is everyone doing in chat? I think we got a bunch of lurkers, which is fine. Hopefully my coding giving like ASMR vibes. Looks like I'm still the only one streaming in Go though. I mean, I guess I can keep going for a little bit longer. I'm hoping someone will go live soon though so I can raid them. I've gotten a lot of progress done today. Yeah, I guess we can go in this. Gems, users gems. That in here. Data source, current user. Fit width, enter. Do that. Copy. See how that looks. Okay, not bad. Then I got to do the same thing on the profile. Copy profile. Profile page one, version 1. Pop-up dragons. Pop-up dragons. Paste. Next. Okay. Now it should be in the same spot. Ah, this doesn't work. Ah. Element, element, users dragons, backgrounds, element, hide an element, users dragons. This honestly should be a reusable element, so that way I don't have to keep making multiple changes on it. There we go. There we go. Yep. Okay, what about on mobile? How does the dragon pop-up look on mobile? Edit, dragon, backgrounds, market, dragons, background. Need to put the gems in here. Okay, so home mobile version 3. In our dragons pop up. No, we have a slide up. We have a view for dragons. Navigation, leaderboard rules. Yeah, we're not using the pop up, we're using a view. View dragon images. Paste. Okay. Few dragons, gems. Yep. Okay. Go gems and dragon pop-up is done. Some of the dragons do not have eggs. I need to get all the egg images again. I don't know where my egg images are. Looking to your response when you lose connection to OGS. Not today. Wasting challenges to your Tsumego Dragon friends. Definitely not today. Because we need a way to accept and deny challenges first, which I'm not doing today. Remake the shop with eggs instead of chest. Not today. Let the user download the SGF from the review page. That's going in the review page. Add gems gold rewards to playing games. Not today. Zoom in review go on. That's the review page. Figure out why some games don't load on the review page is review page. Navigation to custom played branches on review go on. That's the review page. On review OGS page, the analysis when playing out variations is review page. Show AI branches on review page is review page. So we have a lot to do on the review page. So that'll be coming up soon. Have a unique link that auto goes to the latest daily challenge. What? Don't I already have that? Isn't that this button right here? Don't I already have that? Why do I need a unique link? Yeah, daily challenge. I don't know why I need that. Let's archive that. Opening search page doesn't show move percentages on laptop screen size. Opening search is going to be a future feature. I'm not going to worry about it right now. Add Chinese and Japanese translations. That's a ways away. German has a really long category name. Selecting a specific category takes you to a difficulty section, but the category is not translated. That's a translation bug. Quests do not use translations. Quest should unlock dragons. I don't even know if I want to keep doing quest. Like, how many people actually do the quest? I don't know. I don't know how I feel about quest. It sounds cool, but do people even do the quest? On campaign 14Q, there should be a book explaining to match the Joseki patterns. I mean, maybe. Mobile campaign page needs to be updated to the new look. That's going to be involved, so not today. Add a share puzzle button to the admin page, reported puzzles. Not today. Leaderboard on Puzzle Rush sends people to the wrong profile page. Not probably true. Make a quest, unlock the dragon card. That is a duplicate. Question, unlock dragons. That is a duplicate. Put dragon eggs somewhere more obvious. I just did that. Double code does not have enough puzzles. When a user updates, click sound, run JavaScript set, click audio instead of running it on Tsumego load. I can check that later. Profile mobile under more just shows stats. Profile mobile. Profile, more profile, just shows stats. What else should I be showing? Because I got this stuff right here. I think it's fine. I'm not super worried about it. I don't know what else I want to show, so archive that. No restart button on mobile challenge review page. This is another review page thing. No restart button on mobile challenge review page. Daily challenge. Start. And let's go back. Daily challenge. Resume, continue. I don't know what it's on about. No restart button on mobile challenge review page. I don't know what that is. Bugs on boards page for leaderboard. Okay, let's go to desktop. Go to main leaderboard boards. There's a scroll bar, which shouldn't be there. What's the bug? What is the bug? $1,800, good grief. A lot of puzzles. Long username. Boards. I don't know what the bug is. I probably should show backgrounds with these. There's some bugs. Empty users. Ooh, pretty stones. Look at those pink stones. It looks like there's a lot of empty users. So I don't think I'm going to do it today, but I'm going to add to the thing bugs on board page, list empty users, and show the backgrounds with cobons and adjust the opacity. Okay. Quest text do not fit on paper. Another quest bug. Put on here. Put it with quest. You buy a chest on mobile but don't open it, it vanishes. Yeah, but I'm getting rid of chest, so I'm going to archive that anyway. Track current list progress. That's a feature request. Show mistake graphs on mobile. I don't show the ranked mistakes on mobile. Add self-play mode on Gobon. That's involved. Add graphs to user profile as well. User profile has stats showing under post profile. There is no post. Yeah, I renamed that to stats. So I fixed that one. After finishing a category puzzle set, navigate back to the previous page instead of doing nothing. Generate shareable links for puzzles that go to the next or to the index page. And challenge puzzles logged out. lagged out for someone. Archive that. I don't know how I test that. Users cannot see other users' board images due to privacy rules. I don't think that's a thing anymore. Missing element on message page. I don't care about the message page right now. Messages on message, go to top instead of bottom. I'm not dealing with messages right now. Puzzle battle has old header. Puzzles, puzzle battle. Yes, it does. Puzzle battle show puzzles after complete. Puzzle battle max mistake limit. Okay, I'm working my way slowly but surely through the list. Pretty soon, I think the next big thing I'm going to be working on is the review page. Or the review go on. So you can review your games that you play on Play Online page. Or the game pages. So I think that's going to be the next big project is the review page. Which looks like this. Yeah, this is going to be the next big thing, is to improve this for users. Now, I have a big issue on this page is I don't know how I'm going to get AI reviews for my users that are subscribed. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. I do already have this, so I wonder if this is good enough to start showing people in the next update, and then I just improve it and then update it again, or if I should still keep it hidden until I feel more satisfied with it. Technically, it does give some stats. Yeah, technically it works. I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't know, but this is definitely coming in a future update with the mistake list and AI recommendations, the graph, the points. I still want to do more with it, but it's going to be very involved. But this is the next big project, is this review page where you can review your games and see the blunders and mistakes and inaccuracies and stuff. Yeah, subscribe to OGS Plus is this right now, but I think I want to handle the subscriptions so that way my users that are subscribed get access to OGS Premium, and then I will just pay OGS for them or something. How is this? How is this a 4Q? Like, what is this move? What is this move? And then you have like these little icons down here. Is this really single digit Q? What an odd game. Okay, that is that, and we can go home. Or maybe I should add a button to go back to the Play Online page. That's probably where we're going. Okay, what should I do? I guess you have D&D now, right? All right, so I'm going to wrap it up for the day. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was trying to wait until someone else went live, but it doesn't look like anyone else is going live. So I'm not sure who we should raid. We can raid a chess player again. There's an English VTuber, I guess. Follower only chat? Nope, not doing that. Where's another English? Here's an English.
Okay, let's play Let's Go. Let's see if they see it.
Okay.
They're still with us. Oh my god, another.
All right, I think we'll wrap it up for the day. Thank you guys who stuck around, lurked, listened, and commented. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I will see you guys next time.